Just get this rolling. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. There's a black series. I got a quick show of the black series. Hold on. That's Sam's, by the way. Get yours, baby. Edition 1. But now, quick look at this black series. She's actually so insane. It's like my second time ever seeing one in person. Oh my god. Not the business card. Mercedes downtown. 10 out of 10 marketing. I won't lie. That is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. I love hers too, man. She's got a pretty sick one. This is so well organized, man. Like, shout out these guys, though. Shout out them for Mary Sampson. But let's catch up with the gang again. Oh, there's more Porsches. Oh, I mean, Porsches. I've never seen so much McLarens in one place. Oh, look at the color on that thing. Jesus. That is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. It's like, it fades off into like a deep blue. Chill. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these guys like me. Look at this country. More McLarens. More McLarens. That is crazy. It's Collins Rams over there. Oh, bark. Oh, that's the. This country. It's just so cool. Oh, just 3RS. An R8. Oh, this is a sick car on an R8. Oof. Oh, that blue is ridiculous. Man, this is the most underrated car ever. The 4RS. Absolutely underrated. Okay. Now check this out. What the actual fuck? Is that a Spectre or Phantom? I don't even know. Sorry. Ridiculous.
Because we're used to the other one.
God damn, man. Look at this. Yeah. Got a Spectre. That is, oh my gosh. His bodyguard. Oh my god. That's really nice. That's how I roll. That is wild. I mean, I find it more. I think that's hilarious. They put. Okay, actually, hold on. So, look at the Strato. Sorry.
That's really hard. No, the guy that bought it. You know the guy that bought it?
This is the other Roboto?
Yeah, because it's just the pink jar.
Yeah, I like that one. That one's more. He probably is a matte PPF.
Yeah, I'll move. You want to go see Amo's car?
Let's kick on more. Damn. Strato. That's a nice one. You know what's hilarious? He has his own. Yeah. He has his own media team here.
The guy?
Just recording him. The round guy. Is it doing YouTube? No. Because if he's like them Stradman, you know Stradman? He's like Stradman, like these guys are nice because they do YouTube. That would make so much more sense.
Oh, you might probably even...
Yeah, I did see this the entire time.
The bright ass orange Lamborghini.
I did not. I just seen it.
That's ridiculous.
Would you take this gloss at the mat?
The matte.
I'll take matte any day.
All the way. It's way too
Dude,
glossy.
this thing looks like a rainbow. It's just like, it's like, you know, like the whole lineup. Extract the rainbow.
So you're gonna go past the barrier? Are we going to
Even this
side?
Video of this. I don't give a fuck about that.
No.
It's a 4x4.
Where's Kobe? Kobe, can you
Oh, you can video that. I can video that.
Oh, I'm moving to him.
Hey guys, you guys are gonna all need to move.
Oh, you're right. Well, he's not gonna hit this wall, right? I'm gonna stay right here. This is fine, yeah? Is this a client?
Sure.
Is this a client?
He owns all three of those.
Oh, 3.
He has 4 of those.
From Calgary? Jesus Christ.
One guy owns 4 of them.
Does he like store them at the dealership?
No. Like, he has his own personal garage. Like, this only has like 400 kilometers.
It's like new.
It's like 1.5 million.
That's ridiculous. Yeah.
Black Series.
Yeah. Are you going out first?
Because of the young rubbish.
Because he wears Mercedes car.
Because not some people's not. Can I get this one?
Yeah,
I
that's
don't know
crazy.
what I
Next, those it's Sport Plus, bro.
That's the money.
Hey, skip Dasher.
What's up, man?
Oh, yeah.